Well folks, welcome back to the workshop. Today we've got a nice wee handy one for you. How to repair a Bosch Impact Driver. This is the Bosch GDX 18V-EC brushless impact driver with a 1/2 inch anvil that can take a hex bit as well, so you can use it as a screwdriver or a small nut gun. Problem with it: she's working fine, but she's just a bit floppy. The actual body itself is broken. It's taken a drop and smashed the clamshell, the actual plastic body of the machine. So this is how you can quick and easily change over the body and replace it, so you can keep using your impact driver. So if you have one of these Bosch machines, this is the part you need. One housing, one plastic body. It's not going to break the bank. It costs about 25 or 30 euro for that there plastic body. Beats over 150 euro for replacing the impact driver. Right, to get under here, all you need to do is pull out a couple of screws and it should be a straight swap over. Make sure you don't bend the wires anymore. We don't want to weaken them and cause them to break. Just one deep one down in here. Now, first bit about these here repairs is normally somebody will have already tried to fix it. It'll always be with glue, which it looks like this one was done with. Looks like super glue's been put onto it. Just makes this little repair that a little bit more difficult. There we go. And he's glued the controller. That, get rid of them. We do want the hook, mind you. Want to swap that over. Before we can open this side of the clamshell, we need to take off this little metal cover up here. Underneath there should be a little C-clip, push on clip to get it off. Flat screwdriver, and just prise it up from underneath and down on here. A little wedge clip, keeping that top part of the body closed. LED's broken as well, but I didn't realise that. It's going to have to do. All this should just lift straight out. Just make sure you're taking the wee boards and LED with you. Make sure the wires aren't getting left behind. that. Keep the screws. Get rid of that. Now we just have to get it all back into here. Maybe the alarm's going off over here. Don't know what's going on. Little controller. Cover has to go on along with it. Push in your spring for the battery retainer, clip that on. Push everything down. Make sure everything's engaged. And that's it. That's run. Whenever you close it up, should be nice and even the whole way around. Should be no big gaps. Stick your little wedge back in. Screw everything down. Put this top plate back on. Just hooks under. Just clicks into place. Belt clip then. Last two. These are a smaller machine screw. Just get these two little wings. I do have a little LED cover missing here, but I don't have one of them to replace it with. So this will have to do for now. But that's her. One Bosch Impact Driver. The GDX 18V-EC brushless Bosch Impact Driver. With a new body, ready to go. So if your impact or a drill takes a fall and the brakes, don't go just dumping it straight away. It breaks in half, but it still works. It's fairly cheap to actually just replace the body and not buy a new drill. It's not all that difficult. Everything comes out in one piece normally. Take them out one at a time, slide onto the other body, and you're sorted. That's her. Thanks for watching, folks. Give us a wee like and a follow if you're liking the tool repair videos. Cheers.